You are not at your girl's house unless there's way too many pillows. No such thing as like being too thick. There's no such thing. Okay, we're gonna talk about some of my eras today. I was like scrolling through my phone, all my throwbacks, and I'm just like, I went through so many eras. We're gonna talk about all of the eras I've had leading up to today. August 2025. Okay, so the way we're gonna do this is I'm gonna go through my camera roll and create an Instagram post, and y'all are gonna watch me, and I'm gonna insert what I'm choosing here, and I'm gonna explain all the eras. Start with the oldest. We're starting with this one. That one is because the person I was talking to called me a bitch. Like jokingly, but I didn't like that. And so I sent this pic back because who the fuck are you talking to? And I believe I said it just like that. Who the fuck are you talking to? This one, that's when I was doing ring cards for boxing matches. This one, that is my face with that Snapchat filter on. Wise words from a hostess at El Vez in fucking Philly in the neighborhood. That's my wise words. You're overthinking it. Smiling with my mouth closed era. That's because I had a little gap in my front teeth and I would smile like this because I thought it was cuter that way. Poor little Danielle. She was so cute anyway. And now the gap is like fly. It's crazy. Okay, this one. That's Switzerland. That's actually at McDonald's in Switzerland. And I ordered a bucket of motherfucking chicken. And it was real chicken. And I was like, so what the fuck are we eating? And I have never been to McDonald's since that day. Look at this. Look. Motherfucking bad as fuck. My eyes. Boom. Bow. I just had sex appeal. The sex appeal. Ate that. Fucking ate that. Siren. Feline as fuck. I'll bite your fucking head off. I just love her. I love her. What an era. That is also the day that I told the fiance of the man who assaulted me and 40 other dancers, 37 other dancers. I told his girl, and she acted like she was gonna believe it. I remember that day. Because I have screenshots from when she like DM'd me and was like, why did you leave the dance crew? You're going to have to go back into other videos to see more on that story. But I do remember having that conversation with her on the day of this. Okay, this one is...
I was looking at you and you was looking at me and we was thinking, whoa, 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 whoa. Go to market, go to market, go to market, go to market, go. Go to market.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Go to market, go to market, go to market, go to market.
I can't make it stop. The passion, the forehead kiss, run it. Fine as hell. Pothead, rabbit owner, Miss Moneybags, eyelashes, tea, lips, tea, titty grab, cute ass watch, cute ass nails. I remember I was on vacation with my ex and we broke up that day. And that's how I acted. Period. Sage. That poor bunny. It is very gorgeous. It's just that you can tell where I am, which I don't want. But who am I to keep this from the world? Very gorgeous. Vibe. I was just a sexy sad girl. Sexy sad girl. What can I say? Makes me so sad to see pictures of myself last year because I was so sick and I was getting so skinny. Sexy sad girl, but trying to entertain a relationship with someone mentally ill. That was an era. Smoking on the balcony. Body. Tea. Hiking Danielle. The hair was long. The last one is gonna be this one. I was getting skinny then. I was really playing it off well. I thought everybody could tell that I was so sick. What song are we gonna choose today? I can't choose a song because I need the sound on for DeMarcus.
I was looking at you and you was looking at me and we was thinking, go to market, go to market, go to market, go to market, go.
No music. When I'm ovulating, I post things that I know I'm gonna regret posting later. I posted it. Goodness gracious. We chose this one. The Don't Call Me a Bitch. Ring cards. That was an era. That was definitely an era. I was so popular. Anyways, you're overthinking it, sis. Wise words from the most problematic femme lesbian in Philadelphia of 2018, 2019. Cute. So precious. Look in the little hands. Stop. Switzerland, McDonald's. Last day I ever ate McDonald's. Sexy. Bad. Ha. Me at the gym when men talk to me. Fit. Did we talk about that one? My friend who was a stylist just wanted to style me in my outfits and her outfits. And we were just playing dress up and taking pics outside. Sexy, hot, lava fire. Me being hot right after a breakup. Literally seafood dinner. Gorge. That's how I feel. I'm a fairy and fuck you. Hot. I look like a rich baby mom, but with no kids. And that is the goal. I think that's it. That's 20, y'all. And my food is done.